Morning students, now we are reaching intermediate functions ma exercise 1. Okay, so fourth problem. If f from R to R, domain is R, codomain is R, defined by f of x is equal to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2, then show that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to into f of x into f of y. Okay, so here given f of x is equal to 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. Okay, so what they are asking the proof? So that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y. So take LHS f of x plus y plus f of x minus y. So f of x plus y in place of x we can put x plus y. Okay, that is 3 power x plus y plus 3 power minus x plus y by 2 plus 3 power x minus y plus 3 power minus x by y by 2. Okay, in the place of x you can put x plus y. Okay, so in the place of x you can put x minus y. So here these two are like fractions, write the common denominator. Here 3 power x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y a power m plus n, a power m into a power n. Okay, plus 3 power x into 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power plus y. 3 power plus y minus into x minus minus plus n. So here a power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. Okay, so here okay. Next take RHS. So what is the RHS mark? 2 f of x into f of y. Okay, so that is 2 into f of x 3 power x plus 3 power minus x by 2. f of y in the place of x you can put y, that is 3 power y plus 3 power minus y by 2. Okay, so here fractions are multiple, numerator multiple by denominator multiple. Okay, so here 2 into 3 power x plus 3 power minus x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus y by 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Here these two are multiple. How they are multiple? Here the two terms is multiply this total. Okay, so that is 3 power x of 3 power y plus 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x of 3 power y plus 3 power minus y by 2. Okay, so that is 3 power x into 3 power y. Here must be 3 power x into 3 power y plus 3 power x into 3 power minus y. This 3 power x is multiplied with these two terms. Okay, next plus 3 power minus x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y by 2. Here we do that RHS, we can get as 3 power x into 3 power y plus 3 power x into 3 power minus y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power y plus 3 power minus x into 3 power minus y by 2. Here LHS is also same, you can get. So therefore LHS is equal RHS. Therefore hence proved. Therefore LHS is equal RHS. So therefore f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to f of x f of y. Okay, so therefore hence proved. If f from R to R, domain is R, codomain is R, defined by f of x is equal 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2, then show that f of 1 minus x is equal to 1 minus f of x. Okay, and hence find the values of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 of f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. So here, first, given f of x is equal 4 x by 4 x plus 2. Okay, so take LHS now. So what is the LHS? F of 1 minus x sum. Okay, here what is the x? F of x 4 x by 4 x plus 2. Okay, so here what asking that? Prove that f of 1 minus x is equal 1 minus f of x. Okay, so that is here 4 power 1 minus x by 4 power 1 minus x plus 2. Okay, so here in the place of x you can put 1 minus x. Okay, here what is the formula? A power m minus n. A power m by a power n. So that is here 4 power 1 by 4 x by here 4 power 1 by 4 x plus 2. Okay, so we can write as 2 by 1. You can do that cross multiple here. 4 power 1 into 1, 4 power 1, 4 power x into 2, 2 into 4 power x. Okay, so here 4 by 4 x by 4 plus 2 power 4, 2 into 4 power x by 4 power x. Okay, the fractions we can do that cross multiple. Okay, 4 power 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 into 4 power x by 4 power x into 1, 4 power x. So denominator having fraction is become reciprocal. So that is 4 by 4 power x into 4 power x by 4 plus 2 into 4 power x. 4 power x cancel. What the remaining? 4 by. Okay, here the 4 how we can write 2 2 jar. Here 2 into. So in this 2 what the common? 2. Okay, 2 is taking outside, what the remaining? 2 plus 4 power x. 2 plus 4 power x. So 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. That is 2 by 2 plus 4 power x. 2 by 2 plus 4 power x. Okay, so this is LHS. Next, take RHS. Take RHS. So what is the RHS? 1 minus f of x. That is equal 1 minus 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2. Okay, so here 1 is a whole number, we can do that. We can add as 1 by 1. Now we can do that cross multiple. That is 4 power x plus 2 minus 4 power x by 4 power x plus 2 plus 4 power x minus 4 power x cancel. What the remaining? 2 by 4 power x plus 2. In LHS you can get as 2 by 2 plus 4 power x. In RHS you can get as 2 by 4 power x plus 2. Okay, so LHS is equal RHS. So therefore f of 1 minus x is equal 1 minus f of x. F of 1 minus x is equal 1 minus f of x. Okay, so from this we can write as minus f of x comes to development plus. So f of 1 minus x plus f of x is equal 1. From the proof, f of 1 minus x plus f of x is equal to 1. Okay, here what asking that find the value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. Okay, first we can take that x is equal 1 by 2. X is equal 1 by 2. So if you take x is equal 1 by 2, that is f of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2. Okay, so here f of 1 minus 1 by 2, how much you can get? 1 is a whole number. Okay, we can do that cross multiple. How much you can get? F of 2 minus 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2. So f of 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2. So its values how much they given that? 1. F of 1 minus x plus f of x is equal to how much? From the proof how much it is? Value 1. So that is f of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus f of 1 by 2 value is how much? 1. So 1 is equal to of f of 1 by 2. Okay, next x is equal 1 by 4. X is equal 1 by 4. Okay, that means in the place of x you can put 1 by 4 in the given proof. So that is f of 1 minus 1 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4. Okay, is equal 1. So that is 1 is a whole number. You can do that cross multiple. 4 minus 1 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 is equal 1. So that is f of 3 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 is equal 1. When you take x is equal to 1 by 2, then you can get as 2 of f of 1 by 2 is equal 1. When you take x is equal to 1 by 4, f of 3 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 is equal 1. Okay, so here what they are asking that find the value of f of 1 by 4 plus 2 into f of 1 by 2 plus f of 3 by 4. Okay, so 2 into f of 1 by 2 value is how much? 1. Next, f of 1 by 4 plus f of 1 by 4 value is how much? 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. F of 1 by 4 plus f of 3 by 4 value is how much more? 1. 2 into f of 1 by 2, how much? 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. How we can get the 1 by using the given proof? Okay, what given proof? F of 1 minus x is equal 1 minus f of x. Okay, minus f of x comes this order open plus. Okay, so here in the given proof we take that x is equal 1 by 2, x is equal 1 by 4. Okay, right. If f1 minus 1 domain, codomain is 0 2. Defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b is a surjection. Surjection means the elements of b is mapped by the elements of at least one element of a. Okay, that is called surjection. So then find a and b. Okay. Given f of x is equal ax plus b. F of x is equal ax plus b. Okay, here what the x value is? Minus 1. X is equal minus 1. Then f of minus 1 is equal. Here which elements are mapping? We don't know. Minus 1 is mapping 0 to none or 2 0 we don't know. Okay, so here two cases are there. Okay, so x is equal minus 1, then a into minus 1 plus b, that is equal minus a plus b. Okay, next x is equal 1, then f of 1 is equal a into 1 plus b, that is equal a plus b. A plus b. Okay, so here case 1. Case 1. Okay, so here the mapping elements is minus 1 comma 0, next 1 comma 2. Minus 1 is mapping with 0, next 1 is mapping with 2. Okay, so that is f of minus 1 is equal to 0. So what the f of minus 1? Minus a plus b is equal to 0. So minus a, here plus b is going to start out with minus. So minus minus cancel. You can say as a is equal to b. A is equal to b. Next, f of 1 is mapping with element 2. 1 is mapping with element 2. So f of 1 is what? A plus b is equal to 2. A plus b is equal to 2. Okay, so here a is equal to b. In the place of a, we take as b. Okay, so that is b plus b is equal to. Okay, 2b is equal to. B is equal to 2 by 2. B is equal to 1. So when B is equal to 1, then A is also 1. This is the case 1. Okay, next case 2. Case 2. Here case 1 is the what? Minus 1 is mapping to 0, 1 is mapping to 2. Okay, case 1. Minus 1 is mapping to 2, 1 is mapping to 0. 1 is mapping with 0. Okay, so minus 1 is mapping to 2, 1 is mapping 0. So that is f of minus 1 is equal to 2. So what is the f of minus 1? Minus a plus b is equal to 2. Okay, next f of 1. F of 1 is equal 0. What is f of 1? A plus b is equal 0. So plus b is equal to what happen? Minus b. Okay, so here minus a plus b is equal to in the place of b, okay, in the place of a we take as minus b. Okay, here what is that? Minus a plus b ma. The place of a we take as minus b. So then a was minus a plus b is equal to, okay, so minus of minus b plus b is equal to b plus b is equal to 2b is equal to b is equal to 2 by 2, b is equal to 1. Okay, when b is equal to 1, then a is how much? Minus b, that is a is equal to minus 1. So in case 2, the values are a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1. In the case 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. Okay, these are the values of a and b. If f of x is equal to cos of log x, then show that f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 of f of x by y plus f of xy is equal to 0. Okay, so here given the function f of x is equal to cos of log x. Okay, so what asking that? Show that. Okay, so first we can find that f of 1 by x, f of 1 by y. Okay, so here f of 1 by x means cos of log 1 by x, cos of log 1 by y. Okay, this 1 by x, how we can write? X power minus 1. This 1 by x, how we can write? X power minus 1. Here 1 by y, how we can write? Y power minus 1. Okay, so this one you can write as cos of log x power minus 1, cos of log y power minus 1. Okay, so here log of x power n base a, n log x base a. Okay, so this one you can write as minus 1 into cos log x into minus 1 into cos log y. Minus minus plus, that is cos log x into cos log y. Cos log x into cos log y. Okay, next one. 1 by 2 f of 1 by x, f of x by y plus f of xy. Okay, so this one you can write as 1 by 2 f of x by y. That means cos of log x by y plus f of xy means cos of log xy. Okay, ma. So log a by b, log a by b, log a minus log b, log a into b, log a plus log b. So this one you can write as 1 by 2 cos here log x minus log y plus cos log x plus log y. Okay, no? Okay, so here it is in the form of cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Cos a minus b, cos a plus b. So here cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Here, what is the formula for cos A minus B? Cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B. Cos A plus B formula is what? Cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Here minus we can get a plus. Here plus, here we can get the minus. Minus sin A, sin B. Get plus sin A, sin B cancel. Cos A, cos B, cos A, cos B. You can get as 2 cos A, cos B. Okay, so cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B is equal to cos A, cos B. Okay, ma. So cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B formula is what, ma? 2 cos A, cos B. Okay, so here 1 by 2 of cos A minus B. Here A is the what? Log X. B is the what? Log Y. Okay, cos of a minus b plus cos of a minus b, a plus b is equal, what you can get, 2 of cos a cos b, that means 2 of log x log b. Okay ma, so here 2 1 by 2 into 2 cos log x into cos log y. So 2 cancel. You can get as cos log x cos log y. Okay now, so 1 by 2 of f of x plus y plus f of xy is equal cos log x into cos log y. So f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y, take LHS minus 1 by 2 f of x by y plus f of xy. Okay, so f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y and the cos log x into cos log y minus 1 by 2 of f of x by y plus f of xy and the minus cos log x into cos log y. So plus cos log x into log x log y minus cos log x into cos log y. Cancel divided is how much ma? 0. RHS. So therefore LHS is equal RHS. So therefore hence proved.